Okay, we're going to add memory here, 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 and here. Right here, we'll go ahead and add a new CPU. And over here, we got fan module here and here. So we'll go ahead and pull this one out, pull this one out. We'll start with the fan modules. Okay, the orientation, you have a connector pin here, and these just slide right onto the post. And push down right there, that one's in. Okay, we got a second CPU cooler, or fan module. Slip that one in, that snaps in. Next we'll do the memory. Okay, I'm going to wear an anti-static wire connected to my arm, anti-static bracelet. Okay, so the orientation of this one, open the pins. Make sure your key is in the right position. Hear a nice click. So the key's right there, so this is actually opposite, so let's get that in the right position. That one's good. Okay, so here's the last memory module. Okay, everything checks out good. So here's this cover plate. This is the CPU area. So we got a couple of different little levers here. So we got two levers. And those levers pop up this little latch, and this is where I slide out this protector here. And now we'll go ahead and install the CPU. CPU. Push that all the way in. Turn that down. This lever goes here, and this lever goes here. So now the CPU is in. So here we have the CPU heatsink, and there's an orientation of 4 screws. And I'm just going to do a dry fit. All right, so that dry fit looks good. Okay, now we're going to apply those thermal paste compound. All right, that looks good. Just take this heat sink, put it in the same position. And we're going to go ahead and tighten it alternately. Okay, I'm just trying to get them started here. Get all 4 started. And then I'll come back and tighten them all down until they bottom out. We don't want to over tighten it. All right, so far that looks good. All right, okay, so there you have it. So what we did, we added 2 fan modules. We added 4 sticks of memory, 1, 2, 3, 4. We added a new CPU and a CPU heatsink. So now we're ready to fire this baby up. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. This is Robert Amador signing off. Stay safe and peace.